Yes, that's it. The outside people. Let me do your putting up in there. Yeah. Do something there. Hold on. Fuck off. Let them go. Fuck off. Fuck off. Good vibes.
I sexy girl, I say she want to give me head. When me fuck pussy turn red. Gymnastic, know the pussy. When me there, rock out thing.
Yardman thing, you know a thing of people, yeah? Yardman vibes. Good vibes. Yes, people, so you know where I'm going right now. You know where we're going. Looking for the British Airways, good vibes. So we're just checking the passport, people. A good vibe. Yes, people, see this, eh? Gothenburg. What you say, Wagwan?
Against Sweden.
Good vibes, everybody, so I'm gone. Yes, everybody, so you know Wagwan, today is a traveling day, so we're still traveling right now. So wet one, innit? Mad one, people. We're outside. Good vibes everywhere. Yeah, man, we're there. Just boarding the plane right now, people, yeah. Just stay tuned for the next couple of days. Gothenburg. We'll see you on the next side, people. Big up yourself. Yeah, man, good vibes. Hello, hi, how are you doing? Morning. Good vibes now. Yes, everybody, so look, we're there now. We're sitting on the plane, waiting to lift off, waiting to go. So, you know, say, it's a little short one. Look out for what's going to be happening. Me and Mdot's got a few activities.
You'll lock off? You'll lock them off from now?
Yeah, we're sitting from the other
they got to
side.
wait till the next episode?
Yeah, we're sitting from the other side.
That is it. Sometimes you got to wait, you got to be patient, people. It's all about the journey, you know what I'm saying?
Guess what? Madness I got going right now, people. Yeah, madness. Good vibes. Quickly before I go, everybody, yeah, what's the possibilities of you guys leaving in the comment section you think we'll be able to cook some Jamaican food in Sweden?
It's going to be a challenge, I'll tell you that.
So there's a few things, and one of them is we're going to try to cook as well, but we're not going to give away everything.
I've got some bags under my eyes, bro.
No sleep. People, so quickly before I go, yeah, it's always a good vibes, you understand? So, yeah, man, we are cook food, and I just want to remind each and every one of you, make sure so we eat some food today, yeah, man, and just do the right thing and enjoy on yourself, because, yeah, just sit down on the chair and don't move. The one here has a popcorn settings. What me say? Yeah, man, the one here have popcorn settings, man, and get your tropical drink. Yes. Don't get water, tropical drink. Quickly before I go, everybody, yeah, what's the possibilities of you guys leaving in the comment section you think we'll be able to cook some Jamaican food in Sweden?
It's going to be a challenge, I'll tell you that.
So there's a few things, and one of them is we're going to try to cook as well, but we're not going to give away everything.
I've got some bags under my eyes, bro.
No sleep. We forget for sure on this. Can't come on the plane without a... Yeah, man, good vibes, people. Imagine that this was just parked away by accident, but it's accessible right now. People, so quickly before I go, yeah, it's always a good vibes, you understand? So, yeah, man, we are cook food, and I just want to remind each and every one of you, make sure so we eat some food today, yeah, man, and just do the right thing and enjoy on yourself, because, yeah, just sit down on the chair and don't move. The one here has a popcorn settings. What me say? Yeah, man, the one here have popcorn settings, man, and get your tropical drink. Yes. Don't get water, tropical drink. Wagwan people, yeah. I see you guys on the other side. Good vibes. See them, I'm sure you look a bit at England as well. Yeah, man.
If you'd like to purchase from a selection of High Life Cafe items on today's flight, then please connect to the BA Wi-Fi, visit shop.ba.com to discover the items available.
Just got breakfast on the plane, everyone. Yeah.
Don't like it.
M. said he's not interested
Don't like
at
it.
all.
Don't want it.
Don't want it, mate. I want to bake a shower, mate.
Gothenburg.
I used to wait for those.
Yes, please, sir. Would you like a glass of macadam? Would you like a glass of macadam maybe on morning breakfast? Macadam.
M. Cheers.
Cheers, bro.
Good vibes. So to a positive trip.
And positive trip.
Yeah.
Why you not just finish the book?
What you mean? If I finish the bottle, I'm twist up. Oh, mate. Yes, people, look a bit of red wine for breakfast. And that's saying,
Little Jamaican red wine.
cheers, guys. M. just made me an oats porridge.
Le fork.
So oats porridge and a Magnum for breakfast, people. Yeah, are good vibes. Okay, you can't have a cooking program without no beverage.
Champions. Let's do
How is that one?
porridge and magnum for breakfast. See? It's a different one. I ain't done it before. It's the first, but you know what I mean?
It's me. Yes, everybody, so we're finally reaching now, so big up yourself. Thank you very much for staying on the journey, people. You don't know what I'm
Are you
going.
ending it now?
Yeah, man,
You right
24-hour
now?
kitchen.
Right.
We're there.
Listen.
We're fully landed in Sweden right now,
If you
people.
don't
Yeah.
press the notification buttons, you're gonna miss all of it.
You're gonna miss all of it, people, yeah. Just make sure you have on your notification button. Good vibes. Good vibes. Big up yourself. Yeah, man, you don't know. Oh, people, look. So we have a just over there, look.
All right.
Yes,
Yeah.
people, good vibes. We're finally in Sweden, people. Yeah, big up yourself. Stay tuned to the episode. Them, you don't know what I'm going. Yeah, man, London to Sweden.
Yeah.
Big up the general.
A good vibe.
Welcome to Gothenburg.
Thank you, my brother, man.
Have
I
you been
appreciate
in
it.
Sweden before? Or is it sure.
Yes, that is it. The outside people. Where you are?
Vi går bort och åker där en stund förut.
Ska vi det?
Ja, det spelar ingen roll.
Okay, you ready?
Ready.
Ready. Yeah, I was running to the bathroom and then I just heard them scream, so I was like, okay, I'll do it later. Here you
How
come.
was it in your bike? Was it 2 weeks ago?
Is that really what you're putting up in there?
Yeah.
Is this what we
We need to
did?
wait for the red carpet.
Royal treatment here in Sweden.
This is how it's meant to happen. Take note. Yeah, Jamaica. Moana type of, listen, Moana type of service next time. You know what service I get in Jamaica? I gotta pay the policeman money. People, we're there. How do you say your second name? Is it Demon?
Dimman.
Deman.
Deman.
All right, because it's got a little Swedish letter in there that we don't know about.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Big up the guys.
Yeah, man, big up yourself.
Morning, guys.
Morning.
Welcome to Sweden.
Welcome to Gothenburg.
Welcome.
Good vibes. Good vibes.
We'll on there.
Well on.
Fuck off. Tell them go fuck off in that. Fuck off.
Good vibes, good vibes, good vibes.
Oh, this is nice, man.
Yes,
cold in
people,
here,
so
man.
just stay tuned. 24-hour kitchen, cooking vibes. We're in Sweden. What's your channel?
JLC.
JLC people, yeah?
Yeah.
Big up yourself. It's a good vibes. Sweden.
Only good vibes.
Crazy.
This is the welcome that we got to Sweden, people.
Yeah,
This,
man.
this is
right
the welcome.
thing, brother.
A good
They're
vibes.
say that Jamaica is up your tempo. All I get in Jamaica is
People, so you done know I'm finally in Sweden. Look out for the rest of the episode, people. We got picked up in this. Big up M.R. Big up the general them over here in Sweden. It's not a joke thing. Yeah, man, a good vibes. Good vibes.
Ringo Vision. Ringo Vision, yeah. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo Vision. Cause when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle.
Oi.
We not sleep. Just wait for the next episode. Boy.